When people say they want rare cars in real life, they usually don't mean the most expensive car. They mean a car with a story, something you don't see every day. But here's the problem. Rare is one of the most misused words in car culture. So let's make it real and simple. What actually makes a car rare, and how you can verify it without getting fooled by hype. There are 3 kinds of rarity. First, production rarity. That's the obvious one. Low production numbers, limited trims, special editions, short production windows. Second, survivor rarity. Sometimes a car wasn't rare when it was new, but almost none survived in clean, original condition. That's why certain models become rare cars in real life. Not because they were exclusive, but because time filtered them out. Third, provenance. This is the story rarity. Documented history, ownership, factory records, special events, or a verified spec that actually matters. Now, rare classic cars are where automotive history becomes the value. With rare classic cars and automotive history, originality and documentation can matter as much as looks. A restored car can be incredible, but an original, correctly documented car is a different category. Now let's talk about one of the most fun rarity pockets. UK and Japanese right-hand drive cars. Right-hand drive can create rare cars in real life because markets are different. You get trims, specs, and additions that never really existed elsewhere. And then demand builds around that uniqueness. If you're looking at rare cars UK or rare Japanese cars, here's what to verify. Spec codes, trim details, badges, option lists, and import or registration history. And be careful with conversions. A clean story needs clean documentation. Modern rarity can look different. Rare luxury cars and rare luxury SUV cars often become rare through limited editions, bespoke options, or short-run packages. But remember, modern rarity can also come with modern costs, parts, sensors, software, and maintenance complexity. Now here's the part most people skip. Condition. A rare car that's hiding problems is not a win. It's an expensive hobby. So use the mechanic mindset, evidence first. Check service history. Pay attention to a cold start. And take a short test drive to feel braking, steering, and how the car behaves under normal load. This is also how you build everything about cars knowledge over time. Everything about cars for beginners becomes easier when you always ask the same system questions. And now the best part, because everyone thinks you need to buy a rare car to experience it. You don't. If you're a car enthusiast and you want to feel different eras and brands in real life, renting can be the smartest move. With GetRentacar, you can sometimes actually drive rare cars in real life. Experience the character, the sound, the steering feel, without spending purchase money or committing long term. So you're not just watching rare cars, you're learning them. Quick closing checklist. Why is it rare? Production, survivor, or provenance? Can you prove the spec? Does the condition match the story? Are parts and support realistic? And would you still want it if it wasn't rare? If you want, I can also give you a pinned comment checklist you can use whenever you're checking a rare car in real life.